This is Evelyn's Suffolk Colt engine. Started off hammerite greeny blue and rust and so we popped the covers off and we had a good look. It was missing a key off the flywheel mag, so we popped that off, found the replacement key, popped that back on, timed it up. Pretty easy once the key's there, to be honest. Checked everything else out, everything was good. Evie chose the colours. Daddy brung the skills. So get this mounted up onto a trolley. Got a big fat spark on it, so it should be alright. Not bad for £15 at a steam rally. Even if we get one rally out of it, we'd have had our fun. The idea with this is that we'll be driving this little Stuart pump that I nicked off a little grinder. So we'll belt up to this. It'll draw the water out of the hopper, out the top, back in. Nice little contained unit there. So we'll see how we get on.